Often you will find the login page already displayed on the laptop. If not, double-click the Google Chrome icon labeled RQI Login. Click the blue Login button on the top right of the screen. Enter the email address and password that you use to access the online portion of the material, then click the Login button below. You will now see your active programs. Click the white Resume button in the Action column next to the program that you wish to complete. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the blue Start button in the Action column. If you are returning to an incomplete program, click the white Resume button in the Action column. This is the overview screen. You can either press Continue on the bottom right or access the menu on the top right. The menu allows you to skip to specific skills assessments and access your previous attempts.